Hold on.
You don't want to have your booty on for the video, huh?
I have to massage my forehead because I know it's probably gonna be a line on there. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's me, Paris, back again with another taste test. Today we have Haribo Balla Sticks from Germany and some French lemonade. The flavors are supposed to be orange, lemon, and cola, but I think it might be yuzu. Smells like lemon. Tastes like lemon pound cake. Next up, cola.
How you feel about that one?
This is nasty.
What does it taste like? Does it taste like cola?
It tastes brown.
It tastes brown.
Tastes kind of rusty.
Wait. Lemon flavor, what you give the lemon flavor?
8 out of 10.
What you give the cola?
2 out of 10. Hopefully, orange is good. Okay. That one's not bad.
Is it actually orange?
It's sour.
Is there something in the middle?
Do you not taste it? That's why it's so sweet. It ain't got that weird texture.
What you give the orange?
A 9. No, 8.4. So altogether that would be a 7 out of 10.
These came from where?
Germany. Yeah, French lemonade from France.
No.
Don't you take the sticker?
Nope, just turn it this way. Face me with it. There you go, both thumbs on the edge. 3, 2.
I have to take the sticker off.
No, you don't. Go ahead.
It's hard. I thought the cat. I thought the cat was gonna go flying.
Nah, man, that's why it's on. It's like a harness cap.
It smells like fresh lemons.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Get it together.
I'm not even pouring it. It's smoke coming out. Oh, like that.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna French lemonade.
What's the rating? 1 to 10. Tart, obvious.
No, this is really fizzy. It tastes like a lemon. I like lemons. And it's like really fizzy, so like 9.2 out of 10.
Alright, so why not just a whole 10? What was the difference?
It doesn't taste like lemonade. It tastes like lemons.
If you could compare it fizz-wise, what would you compare it to? Like clearly Canadian, sparkling ice, something like that?
Clear Canadian, definitely.
Alright, so will you be trying another flavor of this? You like this?
Yep.
Alright, tell us where you got this from.
The World Market.
Alright.
In Brookwood, Cincinnati, Ohio.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, man. Thanks for letting us see what the French lemonade tastes like. I've been waiting to see myself, so. Will you be doing any taste tests coming up in 2025?
Yep.
Bringing it back.
Mm-hmm.